Oh yeah, got the package. Amazon. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but there it is, right there. Yes, indeed. It is right there. This is what I've been waiting for. This is what I've been saving for. With the nifty 50. The Canon 80D. There's the sensor. Oh yeah, I've been waiting for this. Been waiting for this. Hard to see, but it says 80D, so whatever. Oh, look at this. Got the old Canon 80D. Hello world, and thank you for watching my channel. So, little by myself, I'm what you call a budget content creator. New to the game, filming on the Canon 80D, looking forward to create budget content. Throughout my channel, you will possibly find product reviews. You will find product that I am buying, looking to make my content better. You will also find that I am learning to edit, trying to get better at editing. Because I'm doing budget content creation, the main editing software that I will be using is DaVinci Resolve 15. Why? Because it's free. I'm not the type of person that wants to pay a monthly subscription for Adobe. Like I said, this is budget content creation. I will be doing trips, product reviews, anything, food reviews, cooking reviews, any type of creation that I can come up with, that's what I will be doing. I want to thank you for tuning into my video. This is my very first video, and I'm pretty sure as the time goes on that I will get better at content creation. I do not want to call myself a filmmaker because that is not what I am. Once you get to a specific level of content creation, that is when I will decide to call myself a filmmaker. Please stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe, and I look forward to putting more content creation out for you in the future.